solid white albacore, which actually is more expensive than the chunk light tuna that is the cheapest kind in grocery stores, is that it can have a lot of mercury. You really can't get enough pure omega-3 fatty acids, but sometimes there is a danger to mercury especially, right? So a lot of people think, oh, I need more omega-3, so I'm just gonna go out there and eat a lot of tuna because that's what's available readily wherever you go. Well, the problem there is that especially the solid white albacore, which actually is more expensive than the chunk light tuna that is the cheapest kind in grocery stores, is that it can have a lot of mercury. So it's almost like people are caught between a rock and a hard place because they want those heart healthy and brain healthy omega-3s, but once you do get those, they are actually very polluted, and if your supplement isn't molecularly distilled, or if you're not getting it from a wild source, or you're not eating wild caught, you're actually going to be putting a lot of pollutants in your body. So you really do want to find wild caught varieties. So if you're taking a supplement, that means having a wild caught wild raised or wild caught salmon oil, or an omega-3 that has been molecularly distilled, which will take almost all of the mercury out and make it very pure. One of my favorite foods, I eat it, I would say 5 to 7 days a week, is they now have pink wild caught salmon packs that are about $1 a piece. They're single serve in BPA-free packs that tear open, and you can use that, and you use a low-fat olive oil mayonnaise, and it makes an amazing tuna melt. So you really just have to start to get very creative in finding affordable and easy ways to get the wild-caught, mercury-free, high omega-3 foods into your diet.